Wait, we're working in the metaverse now? Yeah, it's not just sci-fi anymore. The metaverse has stopped being just a buzzword for crypto bros and NFT collectors. Now it's evolving into something bigger, a place where entire careers are being born. And we're not talking about cartoon avatars selling pixelated land, although weirdly that's still a thing. We're talking full-on, headset-wearing, AI-driven, remote-first professions that barely existed 5 years ago. Here's the thing. By 2035, your job might involve debugging AI pets in virtual apartments, coaching avatars in emotional regulation, or designing entire synthetic worlds from a coffee shop in Lisbon. Sounds wild? Let's break it down. 1. XR Experience Architect, aka World Builder. 2.0. Imagine being part UX designer, part game developer, and part urban planner. Except your city is made of code, not concrete. That's the XR Extended Reality Experience Architect. They're the brains behind immersive virtual environments for education, training, therapy, and more. The goal? Make people feel like they're somewhere else. Whether it's on Mars in a medieval tavern, or inside a molecular cell. And it's not just about cool visuals. These folks tweak spatial audio, haptic feedback, and user interaction so seamlessly that you forget you're wearing a headset. Tools like Unity, Unreal Engine, and NVIDIA Omniverse? That's their hammer and chisel. Pro tip, want in? Start learning 3D modeling, UX principles, and physics for virtual spaces. It's like interior design meets quantum mechanics, sort of. 2. AI Companion Trainer, because even bots need therapy. Here's a job that didn't exist 5 minutes ago, teaching AI how to be humanish. AI companions, think Replica, Character.ai, and emerging LLM-powered assistants, are becoming embedded into daily life. In 2035, millions will rely on these bots for emotional support, memory coaching, and even romantic companionship. But raw AI? It's clunky, awkward, sometimes creepy. Enter the AI Companion Trainer. These pros script interactions, adjust personality frameworks, and provide real-world context to fine-tune AI behavior. They mix psychology with NLP engineering, and yes, they absolutely read your texts to improve the bot's responses. Rhetorical moment. Creeped out? Or kind of fascinated? Yeah, same. 3. Virtual Fashion Designer. Drip for your digital twin Gucci is already selling $4,000 NFT sneakers. So imagine what 2035 looks like when everyone has 3 avatars and a digital wardrobe bigger than their real one. Virtual fashion designers blend haute couture with technical shaders, modeling accessories, and garments exclusively for virtual platforms like Decentraland, Roblox, or Meta's Horizon Worlds. They're not just stylists, they're coders too. Working in Marvelous Designer or CLO 3D, they optimize outfits for lighting, movement physics, and avatar types. Bonus? No fabric waste. Hot tip, want to start now? Learn Blender, touch up your Photoshop skills, and maybe read a Vogue or two. Yes, even AI nerds need style. 4. Immersive Therapy Facilitator, healing in headsets. Think therapy is just a couch and a box of tissues. By 2035, you might attend trauma healing sessions in a virtual rainforest, guided by a human therapist and monitored by an AI emotion sensor. Immersive therapy combines mental health care with VR environments to treat anxiety, PTSD, or phobias. And therapists? They're teaming up with developers to design exposure therapy that's safe, effective, and deeply personal. It's not about replacing human empathy. It's about enhancing it with custom-built environments that feel safer and more engaging than a sterile office. Surprising detail. Some early research already shows VR therapy outperforms traditional CBT in certain trauma contexts. Wild, right? 5. Reality Compliance Officer, policing the virtual streets. Let's be real. Wherever people go, rules follow. In the metaverse, that means moderation, ethics, and digital law. Enter the Reality Compliance Officer. Part moderator, part ethicist, part cyber detective. They monitor virtual economies, enforce AI behavior policies, and investigate identity misuse across synthetic environments. They're not always popular, especially when they shut down a rave in VR Tokyo, but they're vital for safety. Imagine trying to enforce GDPR in a shape-shifting space with anonymous avatars and AI-animated clones. Fun, huh? Get prepped. Study ethics, digital law, and privacy frameworks. Add a sprinkle of cybersecurity knowledge, and you're good to go. Mini interview. Talking with Lynn, CEO of Synthtopia x Rava. Lynn runs a VR startup that's building emotionally intelligent spaces for remote teams. She dropped a gem in our chat. By 2035, your resume won't just say team player. It'll say collaborated with AI colleagues across mixed reality hubs. We're training people to feel natural in these spaces, just like we once trained them to use email. Ava's hiring now, and guess what? Most applicants come from outside tech. Artists, teachers, even a parkour coach. The metaverse needs diverse minds, not just coders. So, how do you get ready for this? Here's the short version. Get fluent in spatial computing tools. Unreal, Unity, Blender. Explore AI ethics, prompt engineering, and LLM platforms. Practice. Soft skills like empathy, storytelling, and emotional design. Stay weird. Seriously. Original thinkers will own this space, and remember, not every metaverse career will require coding. Creativity, empathy, even a good sense of humor can be just as valuable. Closing thought, your future job might not exist. Yet, we used to joke that the jobs our kids will have don't exist yet. Now it's happening to us. And honestly, it's exciting and kind of scary. But if you're reading this, you're probably the type who doesn't wait around for the future to arrive. You go build it. So maybe it's time to update that LinkedIn headline. Something like, Future AI Avatar Stylist and Virtual World Ethicist, available for interdimensional gigs. You laugh, but in 2035 that might be normal.